So, when it comes to unforgiveness, Bella, what did God show you when it comes to unforgiveness?
He showed me how unforgiveness can almost takes the back from his plan. Like Satan wants God's plan to not work out for our lives, but God wants something different. He wants a huge plan. He's excited for it, but when we let unforgiveness come in, it like stops his plan and he needs us to backtrack and forgive all of those people that we have not forgiven.
Okay, so what did it feel like when you had unforgiveness that you were harboring towards somebody?
It felt like I was being pushed back or had something heavy on me anytime I saw them or was with them, and it felt weird. But once I forgave them and got into forgiving other people, it felt a lot better, and I felt more like I can talk to God and be closer with God.
That's good.